Hold on. No. Alright. Do not try this at home. There we go.
Unless you're really stupid or cool.
Gotta get my picture on look. You want this? Right, that's stupid. You want back, right? You got us on?
I got it. It's going. It's recording.
You ready? Shoulder blades or backpack? Sure? Alright. Oh! That was good. That looks like it hurt. Yeah, we gotta see the back. If that shit looks like it fucking hurt, I'm not doing that. Fuck that. Turn off.
That was fun.
Hold on, let me. I gotta see the shit for this, dude. Hold on, you gotta get in the light, dude. Come on.
What's it like? Is it bad?
Nah, it just looks like you just got raped by a dildo, like flat as shit. Ow!